What up, people? Y'all know I gotta come and give y'all an update as soon as we hit new level 3, like I told y'all we was. So let me go ahead and re-explain this like I did my last video. Like we see the pattern here. I'm trying to tell y'all that this pattern is real, son. We got the M to the dub, that level 1 right here, boom, retracing. Bounce off the 20, level 2, boom, bounce off the 20 again. And like I told you in my last video, this whole zone right here is level 2. So we're going in level 3. And you see the way that gotta be that large candlestick to break through the resistance level to break into level 3. And if you look to the left, you see all the candlesticks. You know, it's either close on top or the bottom of it. You know what I'm saying? It's super support resistance level basically. So you got a large candlestick to come bounce out of it. So now we're in level 3. So now we're waiting for the peak formation. And like I said, my projection way back here, like I told y'all, because of this, even back here, the projection is 1750. And all they've been doing was literally stalling this whole thing out this whole time like they did up here. Just stalling out. Because it should have came up here then to hit this 50 EMA, but nope. It waited till the 50 EMA came down and met with the 20. So once it met with the 20, now it's trying to make a crazier move. Because you would at least expect before it hit the you know what I'm saying, hit the 50 and then hit the 100. Nah. You know what I'm saying? That they wanted to skip through all that, hit this 100, and then smash it down. And that's what I was thinking. I didn't think, well, I ain't gonna say I didn't think, because if I was a market maker, I would be doing the same thing. I'm not gonna lie. But it's just the fact how dirty it's gonna do to the normal person that don't know what's really happening in the charts. Because I've been showing y'all can read these charts, and it's like basically the whole point of me making these videos is telling you it ain't no such thing as buying these coins and holding them, because you're just gonna lose your money. No such thing. I could promise you that. So it's like you just gotta hop in and hop out. And like for instance, like if when I made the video telling you that there was a pattern down here, if you hopped in right here in any of those coins, because they all should have been in general following Bitcoin, should have been on the uptrend somewhere. You know what I mean? Anywhere down here, you should make some kind of profit for the short term, because this is a 4-hour chart. For the short term, you would have been good. But right here, they fake you out. Boom. As you can see, they came to the bottom of right here, level 2. Like I said, they never broke down through level 2, so that would have invalidated the whole pattern. But it's literally validating the pattern by not going below the previous low, which is around 16,000. So boom, and you see they hit us with a triple bottom. Like I always tell y'all, market makers love doing things by threes. Look at 1, 2, 3. 3 hits to the low on the 4-hourly reversal. Boom, hit the EMAs. 20 hit the 50. Boom, a large candlestick exactly right there on the 4-hour chart. Look at that. I mean, it's perfect. I'm telling y'all can read these charts. But like I said, my projection was already 1750. So boom, we come up here, hit this 100 EMA. That'll be perfectly. And like I said, it should have did this way back here. You know, a few weeks ago, but here it go. So what's going to happen is, right, because you see this is why I got no level right here, right? Because it already came up here. This is a clear resistance over at 1750. Look at these candlesticks. Boom, 1750. So boom. And look to the right now. Clearly what 100 EMA is at. So that's where we're heading to. So it's like we don't come up here because we already got this one test right here. This will be the second test. And it's going to test it for a third time. And then it's going to read rejection. And that's when they're going to smash it down, you know what I mean, to the next level. Like I've been saying. And even right here on the daily chart, 1750 will basically be a recovery, you know what I'm saying, right here, the same level. And it'll probably be, by the time we get up there, it'll be also a hit to the 50 EMA right here. Right now it's sitting at 1800, but you know, over time, you know what I'm saying, it's going to still drop down to 1750. That's when they're going to hit it. When they're going to hit the 50 EMA at the same time on the daily. They just waiting for all the lines come into play, basically. That's all they doing. And then after that, like I showed y'all, 14,000, our next resistance level. And they're just basically going to just smash down. They're recovering half this candlestick right here. That's what they're doing. Half this large candlestick. Oh, let me take this drawing off. Boom. Half the candlestick. That should be around, like I say, around 1750. Around that general range. In a reversal. Because I don't believe we probably not gonna hit this 20 MA again, because we already hit it 3 times. So we just recover and have this candlestick, make a reversal, and then smash all it down to the next level. And like I said, the next level should be around $10,000. But like I said before, $10,000 is a really dangerous area, anyways, because we don't come all the way down. We can recover. I'm telling you, drawing back on. We don't come down here and recover all the way down here around $5,500, slightly below, because we have to recover all these candlesticks because they haven't been recovered yet. Everything else beyond here has been recovered besides this. So this is how I know it's going to smash down. That's why they came halfway down this zone right here instead of coming all the way down to 10,000. Because the thing is, we had to stop around like $12,000, right, in order for us not to really slide below 10,000. Because right now, it's looking like it's real dangerous. That's all I got to really say, man, because it's about to get real serious. Because we're going to break through this 14,000. That's why they coming up to spike down really hard, and the candlestick is going to come down 10,000. But like I said, once we around 10,000, at any point in time, they can drain it to $5,000. That's why I'm keep trying to get y'all to understand. And that means if Bitcoin does that, that means over half these altcoins are going to be wiped off the table. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Bitcoin does this, once we come down here, this final drop down to $5,000. Hell, even if it drop $10,000, like the altcoins is about to start getting wiped out. You about to start realizing that a lot of these coins ain't what you thought they was, unless you really did your research. And I know which ones it is. You gotta watch and gotta look out for who funding these things, basically. And especially if you see things like the government or anything like that, you know those kind of suspicious, and they could still drain those coins. Now, don't get me wrong, but they will rebound. But a lot of these coins just gonna be drained. Because it was all a part of the, you know what I'm saying, the general plan, because people realize how they could, make their own coins. And I'm just saying that any other random people might see it, because I only mess with the mainstream coins because it really don't matter, because clearly I can read the charts. I can literally do any coin, but I'm going to go for the best ones. And I'll try to show you out this because it's simpler, and this basically determines the whole market instead of me just showing you a random coin. Because they more sporadic, they could pop up 10, 15, 20% in one day, but Bitcoin don't do that on average, you feel me? So it's more of a steady drop or a steady roll of what it's doing. But anyways, man, like I said, come up around 17.5, get a reversal. Our next low is around 10,000. We see what happens from there. But like I said, from there we could get it. Well, initially, I thought we can get it rebound to 14,000, and then we come down to 5,000, and then we have our reversal of the markets. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.